This is a man. This is a woman. This is a boy. The boy is a child. This is a girl. This is also a girl. The girls are children. The man is a person. The woman is also a person. The man, the woman, the boy, and the girls are people. This is not a person. This is not a person. This is not a person. This is a person. How many people are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. How many men are there? There is 1 man. How many women are there? There is 1 woman. How many children are there? There are 1, 2, 3 children. Is this a person? No, this is not a person. This is a cat. Is this a person? No, this is not a person. This is an alien. Are there many people? No, there are not many people. There is 1 person. This person is John. Are there many people? There are many people. There are 5 people. There. 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 How. 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 Many. Men. Men-y. Many. Many. People. People. Po. 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 People. Person. 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 Sin. Sin. Person.